So today is April 25th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Oakland, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this cast iron bathtub. This tub here looks like it's been refinished before, possibly one of those refinishing kits from Home Depot. So the first thing we have to do is strip this old coating off and get it back to the bare surface. And then from there, what we do is fully clean and sand it, prep, prime, and refinish it. Bathtubs that have been refinished before typically take around 5 hours, 5.5 hours to fully strip and refinish. All right, so we're done with the bathtub here in Oakland, California. Let's take a look at it. So this bathtub here took around 5.5 hours to fully strip and refinish. It had that old, some sort of coating on before, so we had to completely strip that off and start from the bare surface. Nice and shiny finish, as you can see there. Turned out really nice and clean. The customer wanted a slip resistant surface on the bottom of the tub here, so we went ahead and installed that during the process. It's an option for the customer if they want it or not. We don't charge additional for that. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.